Hello everybody, Acre of Love Homestead here. We are going to do an update of how our snow sleet storm is. As you can see, it's melting, thank goodness. See if we can get off this porch without falling down. But it is cold, so whenever stuff starts to melt, it tends to be colder. For whatever reason, you know, I guess the temperature drops, who knows. But yeah, everybody seems to be doing good. The cows are doing really great. They made it through. Little pig here. Hopefully y'all can see the little pig. He's mad, but the cows are doing really good. They made it through so far. She's like, get that thing away from me. Yes, I know, you're fixing to get fed. Fixing to get fed. Are you a little twerp down here? Yeah, I know. What? You know you can come on this side, you fit through the thing still. Pigs, they're ready to be fed. Just wanted to show y'all, it is melting, but it is still cold. It was pretty warm yesterday. It started melting yesterday, so it was kind of warm yesterday. I'm trying to debate on which way I want to go. Let's go this way. Dude, I hear you. I hear you. Everybody else hears you. He's really mad. He's ready for breakfast. It's about 9:30, almost 10 o'clock this morning. I try to wait till it gets a little bit warmer before I come out here. I was feeling a little bit sick yesterday and not so good this morning. I've got a cough. Oh, look. So I try to wait till it gets a little bit warmer to come out. We have loose chickens. I put this here, this right here. I put this here so they could have extra room. Well, apparently it wasn't enough because they're out. Not all of them. Do not come out of there. Stay in there. Silly, I'm gonna have to crack it open in a minute, but I gotta get him fed because if not, he gets in the way. Okay, pig, okay. Just gonna have to wait a second here, dude. Hang on. Do not knock that over, quit. Quit it. You don't rush me. Well, we gotta get everybody fed. That way they're not acting like, you know, they haven't never eaten before in their life, like this one. Come on. You're not starving, dude. Relax. You're not starving. Come over here, because if not, the chickens are gonna friggin'. Come on. Chee 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 chee. Chee 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 chee. Come on. Well, you can't eat it through there, you goofball. Come on. We gotta go this way. Move out of the way. Come on. Chee 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 chee. Come on. You're smart enough to go around, I think. Come on, keep going. I'm gonna have to walk them in. I've been having to do it, sadly. I'm ready for them to go out. It's time for them to go out into the big cage. That way we don't have this problem. Oh, look, he went through the fence. Haha, funny. Move. Move out the way. You're going the wrong direction. I'm trying to lead you this way. Come on. Go around. Looky there. In you go. Chickens are not the most smartest animal. I can say that. So I'm going to have to go this way. I'm going to have to walk them that way. Come on. Go, 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 go. Nope, go down. Go all the way down and around. There you go. Follow the leader. That's two. Go. Follow the leader. Nope, nope, nope. No. Go that way. Dude, go that way. What are you doing? Why are you trying to fight me? Quit it. Yeah, so that's my adventure for every morning here lately, because they don't know how to listen and stay in there. If they would just stay in there, there wouldn't be a problem. But they don't tend to want to stay in there. I don't know. Who knows? Let's check on these guys. I'm going to check on these guys. These guys are about ready to go out too. I'm going to have to clean that top off. Get down. What are you doing? Guys, them roosters have been sitting on top of there. Watch out. I need your bowl. See, these guys, and those, they're all ready to be moved out. So as soon as it starts warming up, guess what? Everybody's getting moved. And then we'll decide what we do after that. Because right now I think I have about over 200 baby chicks. Hey, watch out. Well, not even babies. I mean, they vary from different ages. I got probably up to 4 weeks right now. So I'm just ready for them to, you know, you want to raise chickens, but you got to get them settled. Don't jump out of there, guys. I don't have time for all that. And the babies, they're bigger now. They're really way bigger now. Hey, 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 where's my turkin? Ha ha. Where's my other turkin? There she is. I'm trying to see if I have another one. I got 2 here, 2 over there. I don't see any more. Get down so I can feed you. Y'all about ready for some more shavings, ain't you? There it is. Couldn't figure out what to do with my scoop. And then I had about, I'll say about 30, maybe 40 baby quail hatch. There guys, you hungry? So this spring, I'm gonna have lots of stuff to deal with. You can hear the cows moving. Rooster, you gonna go in there with them or no? No? Okay. Quail feed. Quails are still doing good. I don't know if they're gonna start laying again. I hope they do after everything kind of warms up. Oh, there's an egg in there now, yay. But I don't know how old that egg is because I haven't really been checking. But we can always pull it and see. It's just, oh no, there's 2. Yeah, I don't know if they got frozen or not. Gotta fill up their water bottles again. I took them inside and unfroze them yesterday. Okay, ladybirds, I need to see if you don't have any more eggs. No, you only got the 2. You want me to leave them in there until you're ready for some more? Whoa. Oh, come on. All right, chickens, watch out. Here I come. All right. They're fed. I just got to water them. They still have water? They do, but not very much. Okay, well, let's go feed the big pigs. And then I need to go feed the ducks and the chickens. I don't really necessarily like feeding different animals in different areas, especially the chickens. I like to have them all combined together. You know, it's just one swoop and there you go. And with the water too. But I need to buy another one of those waterers because there is going to be a lot of baby chicks. And I'm going to have to build another one of those waterers. Try not to fall. So that way I don't have to deal with, you know, giving them water every single day. Hold on. I'm going to feed you. I'm going. Okay. Ready? There you go. It's behind you. Can't wait till they're a little bit bigger. I think in the fall, I think I calculated, I'll have to look again. They're almost a year old. But we're going to have to decide which ones we're keeping and which ones we're not. Because probably 3 of them will be going to freezer camp. Let me go get y'all some pellets, guys. Hold on. And then I'm going to breed the other 2. Whoa. Some of these spots are really, really slippery. Oh, I got rained on. And I think we have a skunk because I can smell skunk underneath that porch. So I think we have a skunk. Cattle pellets. Let's go back this way. All of this is hopefully melting away. I'm so excited. We don't have very much longer till spring. If anybody's been watching down in the community tab, I'm excited because we're getting something new on the homestead. If anybody's seen it, you need to move, boy. Good boy. There you go. Oh, really? Pretty little cows. Let's go check on the ducks, guys. Rooster, I'm not after you yet. Could be a freezer camp rooster. Okay, let's see here. The ducks have, I think, completely stopped laying eggs. That's fine. It's cold. I don't blame them. But let's see. I'm going to have to face y'all this way because I'm going to have to climb through the fence. Oh! There we go. Hey, at least their pool melted a little bit. It's stuck in the ground is the problem. That's why I can't get it cleaned out. It's stuck inside the ground. As soon as all this mess, look at the little duck. I put that little duck out here. Doing great. Hopefully it's a female. But once we get kind of everything melted and a little bit dried up, I'm going to be moving this. I shift it. I'll either go left or I'll go right and shift the whole thing. And then I'm going to buy a new tarp to put on there. I'm probably going to get 2 tarps, but I'm going to get some heavy duty tarps because those things, they broke. Like I guess the sun, what's it called? I can't remember right now, but the sun had fault in that. And then the chickens area is getting kind of wet because the snow on the top of those panels up there started melting. So they're nice and wet. Well, not them, but a part of their area is. And back through the fence again. Ugh. Okay, here we go. I come out here every now and then and check tracks. Haven't found anything new. Except my own tracks and the dogs. Alright, who's ready to eat? Huh? You ready to eat? Better watch out. See right there, it's really muddy. So, pitch their food that way. Oh, got stuck, sorry. But they're doing good, other than being muddy right now. Oh. There we go. Man, I'm having issues today. I'm a one-armed bandit today. But anyways, everybody's fed. Just need to water the chickens. I wanted to give y'all an update of everything. That's it. What you doing, Rosie? She actually let me pet her yesterday. Wasn't for maybe like half a second, but I got to pet her. See if she'll come up. Come on, Rosie, get off that. You should have went that way, girl. What are you doing? Come on, easy. 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 Come here. Easy. I think my phone notified me it's gonna go dead. Hey, come here, Rosie. Rosie, come here. You're a pretty girl, huh? Yeah, her's a pretty girl, huh? Yes, you are. Let's see. You gonna let me pet you today? I got gloves on today. What you doing? No, not today. Come here. You're fine. You're fine. They're not tame. I bought, like I say, if nobody knows the story about zebus, I bought them off of a guy that was forward, put one in the freezer camp because he was a jerk. But they're not tame. They'll come up for food. That's about it. Melissa is more of the one that will come up more so. I have still yet been able to pet her. And then Steve over there, he's not tame at all. But he's not aggressive like the other one, which is really weird because they're both steers. So I don't know what's happening there. But I like my zebus. I'm hoping that I can either get them AI'd. Okay, we're gonna have to go through this fence right here. I'm hoping that I can get them AI'd and get them, you know, pregnant that way. Or I might just buy a cheap bull and let him do his business, and then we'll put him in the freezer. Because technically in March, so in March I have a surprise coming in March. If you've looked in the community tab, you probably already know what it is. So I get him, or well, I get it in March. That will be an adventure on its own, I guess. But everybody's still alive. Everybody's still doing great. And I'm hoping that this stuff is going to melt because I'm over it. But guys, like and subscribe. Hit the notification button. We're up to 407 viewers now. I'm very excited about that. Check out some other videos and see what's going on. Lots of adventures coming. And y'all stay tuned.